Hi guys, we are back again, and I actually have the 3 subscription boxes, actually beauty subscription boxes that I get for the month of January 2018. And all of the subscription boxes have in common that they are all $15, or one of them is $16, but still, fall in that range of price. So we're gonna first go through all of the boxes, and then I'm gonna tell you which one is my favorite. So if you want, stick to the end of the video and you will find out which one was my favorite this month. And also, what I want to say is that the $16 a month is not from the United States. So that one is actually really cheap if you want to get it. And I will link all the descriptions on the bottom. So if you're interested in keep on watching, subscribe to my video, and yay, we will go. So the first box that I got, and it's the Macy Beauty box, and it came on this little baggie. It's January 2018 edition. I really like the baggie. It reminds me of like old vintage basically. And I did get a lot of things that I actually wanted, and it's more on the side that last month I just didn't get the things that I actually wanted. So this month is like makes up for last month and this month. So we're gonna open the little baggie. I already have opening the video and swatch and everything, so I will link those below. But this is only a preview. So it comes with the little card with the $5 off, and I was supposed to get the perfume, but I didn't get it. So that one was one of the products that was missing. I still haven't contacted them, so I don't know if they're going to give it to me or not. The next product was Smashbox in the color red, and I actually love red, so I was really excited to get it. The next product was another lip. This one, I actually like the color. Great Origins. This one is a frothy face wash, which is never bad to get. You can travel with them. Also, I got this Ahava Dead Sea Water Mineral Hand Cream, and smells amazing, and I love the color. And then the last thing is the body lotion from Philosophy. So all those samples, I actually like all of them. And yeah, let's move into the next one. So the next one is actually Look Fantastic. So you open the little box. This one is the one that is $16. You get a magazine. If you are into magazines, that's already worth it. Comes with the the little magazine telling you about the products, on the samples, and on the back it gives you a preview of what you're gonna get in the next month. Then what I got in this box was this warming ginger bath and body oil right there. Then I also got this chorus. This is like a fluid gel cleanser. And then I also got this that I already love, congested skin serum. This one, Aerosol Laszlo on the light because I have pimples. That's awesome. I have the scalp mod that I have never tried on my hair but will. And I also had a 3D lash primer that came with it. So that's a total of a lot of samples, 3, so 6 of them. And then the last box that I actually get is Allure, and this Allure comes in a red box. It's a beauty box. This is all handpicked by the editors of the box, and we have the same little thing that talks about all the products that come in it. I always save those. And then when you open the box, it came with this one that says The One by Frederic Fekkai. Yeah, Fekkai. So that one is a dry shampoo. Yeah. Then we have this smoky eye pen. We had this Makeup Forever Artist Liquid. We also had in Transit Camera Close Up. This is a moisturizer and a mask and a primer in one, but if you see through, it's not completely full. And then the last thing that I was really amazed of getting was this huge thing, the CEO, that actually looks like full size and is glass. So it's already 2 full-size samples. So from these boxes, I'm gonna say that I am between I'm not really into this one, the Look Fantastic, because it came samples. So yes, it's high-end and all that, but it's only samples. The ones that I'm actually in between is the Macy's that came with one probably full sample, and it was way better than the December edition that you will see below. But actually this month I think Allure is a winner, just because they included a full size, rapid flash brightening serum, and you know that this is probably like at least $20 or more. So just because of the material, and then this other product that is probably like more than 10, you already make up the value of the box. So this month's favorites for January 2018, beauty boxes are $15 or $16. Then Allure is the winner. If you have any other opinions, if you would like to tell me which one was your favorite out of these 3, please let me know. Leave a comment below, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video. Bye guys!